Learning with Zachary and Zayden.
Storytime with Zachary and Zayden.
I can read.
Rainy Day by Patricia Lakin. Pictures by Scott Nash. It's a rainy day up here, Zach.
And it's a rainy day out there.
And it's a rainy day outside.
I'll stand it so you're watching.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Not another rainy day, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Oh man, it's a rainy day. Nothing to make, nothing to bake,
Hey, look.
nothing to paint, nothing to play.
Hey, look.
Let's go outside anyway.
Look at the rain.
They're about to go in the rain. Umbrellas, said Sam. Raincoats, said Pam. Rain boots, said Will. Rain hats, said Jill. It said Sam, Pam, Will, Jill.
When?
Ready, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. The road got wet. The fog got thick. They didn't know which road to pick. So rainy.
So rainy, look. The clouds. The
Fog. Fog makes it hard to see. They took a left. They took a right. A pirate ship came into sight. Uh-oh.
Only some pirates.
What sound a pirate make?
Aha!
Arg, matey.
Oh, man. Scooters!
Then a whale and a monster face. Just what was this scary place? Where they at?
Parrot!
Pirates.
Oh!
Arg.
Real!
A mini golf park cheered Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Let's play. Smack it, said Sam. Putt it, said Pam. Hit it, said Will. Lost it, said Jill. Forget it, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill.
That is Jill.
Grrr. Who's there, said Sam. A bear, cried Pam.
Hey, look, good.
A wild hog, cried Will. A dog, cried Jill.
Here. Guys, it's
It
raining.
is a dog. You can't hear the raining outside?
Yeah.
It is raining. Just like the book. With a baseball, cried Sam, Pam, and Jill. Let's play. That's a big dog.
My dog.
Big dog. What's up, big dog?
Look at my dog. Look at dog. Come on, let's get it.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Line up, said Sam. Heads up, said Pam. Wind up, said Will. Batter up, said Jill. They're playing baseball in the rain. It was fun. Pop up, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill.
Dog. Dog.
Yeah, it's a dog.
Dog.
Got it, said Sam. Got it, said Pam.
Got it.
Said Will.
And
Not.
not it, said Jill. I can say not it, real Jill.
That was good reading, man. Ooh.
I learned that from What's on
Okay. Hell, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. I'm slipping, cried Sam. I'm sliding, cried Pam. I'm soaking, cried Will. I'm sinking, cried Jill. She's sinking.
Yeah.
It's too much ice. It's everywhere.
Look at that.
Now what? Cried Sam, Pam, Will, and
Jill.
Jill. Go home, said Sam. No way,
No
said
way,
Pam. Then where, said Will. Follow him, said Jill. Follow him, said Jill. To the library. Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They each took a look. They each took a book. They each took a nook. Pirates, said Sam. You see, Sam has a pirate book. Alright. Golf, said Pam. Pam has a golf book. Baseball, said Will. Will has a baseball book. And dogs, said Jill. And Jill has the dog book. So they went to the library. Perfect. Side, Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Perfect. Side, Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. The end.
Thanks for watching. Bye.